Hi, my name's Steve Riley and welcome to my YouTube channel. I thought I'd tell you a little bit about myself and my history so you get a picture of what I'm going to impart on you, what you're going to learn and how we're going to go forwards by you being involved in this channel. So I've been playing tennis for a long time, actually 50 years. I started off in England and I won a few county tournaments and played at Junior Wimbledon, and then my first job after going from Loughborough University, I went to Dubai. It was my first job in my life, worked at Hilton Hotel. I won the Dubai Open in 1984-5, singles, doubles and mixed, and then stayed in Dubai for a few years and coached tennis. I'm a level 5 qualified tennis coach, LTA, and a level 2 paddle coach, and also I tutor paddle. So on this channel you're going to learn everything from advanced technique to all the aspects of both sports, which is paddle and tennis. The 4 aspects being mental, physical, tactical and technical. Mainly the first few videos are going to concentrate on the technical because you need to be technically proficient to be able to play, and tactically to be able to enjoy and win at paddle. I've also been involved in retail. I had a shop in Twickenham in England, worked for Wilson Sporting Goods for a few years doing promotions. We're going to review some of the current rackets, tennis and paddle. You're going to find the best racket suited to you based on your type of game. We also do other things which would include paddle and tennis holidays. We do them in France, in Bergerac. We also go to Queen's Club in London where I'm a member, and I won the over 50s paddle championship last year. We're defending our title this year, and I've won a national paddle tournament for my age in Britain. We also do tennis and paddle trips to Cyprus, Aphrodite Hills. The website is breakstolove.com, and we do various other trips to Dubai, and from Dubai you can go to Cyprus or France, but also from the UK you can go to Dubai, Cyprus and France, and vice versa. So the trips, you will enjoy those. They're a mixture of culture, coaching, having some great food and wine and some great company. You'll really enjoy those trips. We've been doing them for 20 years. Many people have come back year and year, again and again, because they enjoy them so much. You can fly from Stansted Airport, Manchester, Liverpool, Heathrow or Gatwick, to France or Cyprus, which is Paphos, and obviously Dubai. You can fly from Dubai Airport to UK, or you can fly from Heathrow, Manchester or Gatwick. We hope you enjoy the channel. If you do, please like it and subscribe. That would help. And hopefully you will then tell all your friends to subscribe as well. And we'll have a great community on this YouTube channel. Thanks.